Hi friends, welcome back to our CyberCloud channel. Today we got an amazing update. AICTE in collaboration with AWS is offering free internship for students in 2025. Yes, it's completely free and you will get government recognized certificate from AICTE and Amazon Web Services. This internship is a part of AICTE virtual internship program under AWS Academy designed to help students learn cloud computing, AI, data analytics directly from industry expert. This is a great opportunity for the student, especially for engineering, BCA, MCA, BSc, and science background student. You will get real-time experience to AWS cloud platforms and hands-on lab to practice. Here, in this internship, you're going to know basics of the cloud computing, AWS core services like EC2, S3, and Lambda, and you're going to know about the data analytics and AI integration, introduction to generative AI tools like AWS. All these modules are available through AICT internship portal. You can learn it at your own pace. Any student from UG or PG can apply for this role. You don't need any experience. Duration is around 2 months. After completion, you will receive a AICT AWS joint certificate, which is highly valuable for your resume and LinkedIn profile. So the applying is very simple. I just give the link in description. Go to the official AICT internship portal, that is internship.aictind.org. Anyhow, I'll give the link in description. Search for the AWS internship, click apply now, fill in your details, and you are done. Once registered, you will get a confirmation and access to the AWS learning modules. A free government certificate recognized internship like this give you a huge edge in your IT career. If you found this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe for more cyber cloud jobs, tech internship update. See you in next video. Jai Hind, Jai Sri Ram.